setting up a FTP server. Now I've done this in another video. Click on the link to go to that one. That's where I did pure FTPD. Today I'm going to be using vsftpd. Now in that other video, it was kind of like a very quick FTP server where you throw it up and you can get things really quickly. This one, I'm envisioning that it's a more permanent solution. So you're going to have people accessing data regularly. I'll warn you, in this video, I'm not setting it up as FTPS, no certs. So it is not a final solution. However, what we are going to do is go through those initial steps where we set up FTP and set it up so that only one user can access it, so that Anonymous cannot log in. Let's get right to it. Great. So what we've done so far is we've installed it and we've updated the firewall. As I go through it, I recommend that you pause it at certain points so that you can make sure that your configuration file looks exactly like mine. Let's try it out. I've got 2 failed attempts and 1 success.